This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on your Wise account. Follow these steps carefully to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Wise website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the menu or profile section. Click on it to access various account management options. Step 3. Locate security settings. In the account settings menu, find the security or privacy section. This area contains options related to account restrictions and security features. Step 4. Adjust automatic restrictions. Within the security settings, look for the option related to automatic restrictions. You may need to toggle a switch or uncheck a box to disable these restrictions. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the settings page and click it to apply your new settings. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully disable automatic restrictions on your Wise account. Always remember to review your account settings periodically for optimal management.